Welcome back to the Thrifted Runway. We are kicking things off with this amazing glass and wrought iron table that was only $5. I was able to find the exact match over on First Dibs website for $3,200, and I still cannot believe the price. I don't have any space, but whoever scores this deal is definitely getting a huge bargain. These chairs would be perfect for a DIY project, and I really love the arched silhouette. $30 for a set of 8 chairs or $375 each. What an amazing deal. The McGee & Co. piece has rattan and this one doesn't, but the arched silhouette is really the focus. I was able to find this chair at the same store that day. It was a part of a set, but you also get the rattan detail, and with some reupholstering, you could get a look closer to the McGee & Co. piece. These are actual West Elm chairs, and I was actually disappointed with the quality of these chairs. So they wanted $29 each. These retail for $499 for the set. Currently on sale for $399.20. I don't think these are worth it at all. This is my first time finding West Elm furniture, and these chairs were very flimsy and lightweight. And honestly, if I ordered these online and got them, I would be absolutely disappointed. There were so many other thrifted chairs there that were older, yes, but the quality was so much more amazing. They were heavier, they were sturdy, and for maybe $5 or less. What an insult to have such a beautiful piece out in the rain. I really loved all the details on the frame. I love all the carved details in this bookcase, and it was half off, making it only $100. And I found something very similar over on Ruby Lane for $3,500. So this cabinet reminded me of the Moreland cabinet over at McGee & Co. Now, just bear with me for a moment. I know it's a little bit big and bulky, but it's the curvature, it's the silhouette. This is almost the reverse of the Moreland cabinet. The art is at the top with the thrifted piece, and it's at the bottom with the Moreland cabinet. However, the price, almost $5,000. And with thrifting, you could pick this up for $14.50 because it was half off, and you can get a similar aesthetic. You can always stain this or do a faux wood paint to get it to match the Moreland cabinet if you desire. But honestly, I can see this color still working in a lot of spaces. I'm currently looking for some patio furniture, so when I saw these chairs, I thought jackpot. The aesthetic is exactly what I'm looking for. However, there were a few problems. So they weren't tagged, and when I asked about the price, they said they were $600 for the set of 6. However, the manager was willing to go down to $500. I kindly told them, that just still isn't in my price point, but I was curious as to why they were so expensive. Turns out these are by the brand Four Hands, which retails for $899 per chair. This would be an easy DIY with some matte black spray paint, and I love the fact that the textures are so close. But of course, you're spending a lot less by thrifting. This chair had me speechless. I love all the intricate curves and the overall romantic vibes that it gives. This sofa is such a great deal at only $19. If you're looking for a more neutral color palette, but you love the curves like me, this is a piece that I would absolutely have reupholstered because at the price point, it's practically free. I had so many favorites from today's video, but I think the piano takes the cake for me. $5 is just such an outstanding price that I don't know if I'll ever find that again. Comment down below what your favorite pick was from today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.